Okay, here we go. I'm going to give it a start up. Well, that was good, but only one cylinder. Only when the choke's on, which leads me to suspect maybe the jets in the starboard side are a bit blocked. But it started quite easily though. Sorry, can't bend down too long. Yeah, still a way to go. The back tyre's a bit flat, and it'll pump it up. The front tyre's a bit flat. I should pump that one up as well, I think. But all in all, that's the new electronic ignition system working. All I've got to do now is wire in the quick shifter. Put the headlight back in, finish doing all the wiring up, make sure it all works. And Bob's your uncle. Finished doing the silencers and stuff. But yeah, it's running ish. So I've got to take the right hand carburetor off. I think it's the right hand carb that's not working. Let me just check. Yes, the right hand carburetor, the right hand cylinder, so it's not firing. Probably blocked it. Well, when the choke's on it runs, but then I'd expect it to. It's getting more fuel going down. But yeah, getting closer.